Bye guys. Thank you for your time. I have also told you a story about the way I live the life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing you a song that maybe you would say, come live with me and love me, and I would surely stay.
And I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Yes, I always be soldier of fortune.
Many times I've been on travel, I look for something new. In days of old when nights were cold, I wonder without you. But those days I told my arms had seen you standing near. Loneliness and confusing, it showed that you are not here.
Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Yes, I always be soldier of fortune.
Yes, I can hear the song of a windmill going round. Yes, I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Thank you for your time.